Hello everyone. Today I am going to explain very most important aptitude question with answer. Okay. So if you will watch every from starting to end, you will solve every type of the question of simple interest. Okay. Let us see the first question. The first question is what? If Suresh borrows rupee 36,000 from Mahesh at a rate of 6% simple interest, at the end of 4 years, how much interest Suresh has to pay along with the principal amount? So for this type of question, simple technique is what? First you read question carefully and check what is given. So here Suresh borrows this amount. So this is what? Our principal. So our principal is what? 36,000 from at a rate of 6% simple interest. So rate is given how much? 6%. At the end of 4 years. So here time is given how much? 4 years. Okay, this is time given 4 years. How much interest Suresh has to pay along with principal amount? So how much interest? So we have to find interest. So we have to find what? Simple interest. Okay. So simple question, Suresh borrowed 36,000. So principal given, rate given or time given. And we have to find simply simple interest. So you know that is simple interest, basic formula is what? P into R into T divided by 100. So here principal is given how much? 36,000. Rate is given 6 and T is given 4 and divided by how much? 100. So this 2 0 cancel out. Now multiply this number, you will get what? So this is 360 and 6 into 4. Okay. So this is 6 4 12. So this is what? 36 into 6 24. So you can multiply 36 and 24. So 4 6 are 24, 4 3 are 12 to 14. 2 6 are 12 and 2 3 are 6 7. So 4 6 8, right? So this is what? 8 6 4 and we have 1 0. So here what? 8 6 4 0. So our correct answer is what? First option 8 6 4 0 is correct answer. Now see the second question. The second question is what? If A lends rupees 4,500 to B at 10% per annum and B lend the same sum to C at a 10% per annum, then find the gain of B in a period of 3 years. So again for this type of question, technique is what? Read the question carefully and check what is given. Here given A lends rupees 4,500 to B at 10% per annum. So first you find interest paid by B. So first is what? Interest paid by B. How much interest B paid? So interest is what? P. P is what? 4,500. R is what? 8 and time period is given what? 3 and divided by 100. So this and this cancel out. So we will get how much? So 45 into 24. So 8 5s are 40. 8 5s are 40. Remaining 4. 8 4s are 32 and 4 36. Multiply 3. So this is 300. 3 6 are 18. 3 3 are 9 1 0 18. So this is 1018. Now you see interest received by. So now you see how much interest received. Interest received by B. How much interest B received. So again amount principal is same 4,500 but rate change. Rate is how much? That is 10%. So this is 10 and time period is same and divided by 100. So this is cancel out. So we will get how much? 3 5s are 15. 3 4s are 12, 13. 13,050 rupees. Okay. So interest paid by B is 1,080 and interest received by is what? 1,350. So how much gain of B? So we can find very easily gain of B is what? 1350 minus 1080. So this is 0, 15 minus 8, 7, 2. So our correct answer is what? 270 rupees. So this is our right answer, 270 rupees. Now see the third question. The third question is what? In how many years the simple interest on rupees 6000 at 10% rate of simple interest will become rupees 1800. So again the first important is what? Read question carefully and check what is given in the question. So in how many years, that means we have to find time. So this is the question mark. The simple interest on rupees 6000, so then 6000 what? Principal. So principal is given how much? 6000. At 10% rate of simple interest, so rate is given how much? 10%. Okay, will become rupees 1800. So the SI on 6000 at 10% rate of simple interest will become this. So it is what? Simple interest. So simple interest is given how much? Rupees 1800. Okay, so now we have principal, rate and simple interest. What we need? That is the time. So we know the basic formula, that is time equal to what? 100 multiply simple interest and divided by principal into rate. So you can direct solve this question. 100 into simple interest is what? 1800 and divided by P. P is what? 6000 and then rate is what? 10. So here 20, so this 20 cancel. Again 10 and 20, so this cancel. And 6 3 are 80. So our correct answer is what? 3 years. So in the option 3 years in A option. So our correct answer is what? A option. So A option is the right answer. Now question number 4. Let us see the fourth question. Question 4th is what? Sohan has borrowed rupees 5000 at the rate of 6% simple interest. What amounts he needs to pay after 3 years to clear the debt? For this type of question, again the simple technique, you check what is given in the question. So Sohan borrowed rupees 5000, so this is what? Principal. So it is given principal is how much? 5000 at the rate of 6% simple interest. So rate is what? 6%. What amount he needs to pay? That means we want amount question mark. After 3 years, so T equal to what? 3 years. Okay. So you know amount is what? Principal plus interest. So we have to find amount. So amount is what? Principal plus simple interest. So here principal is already given 5000 and we know simple interest formula is what? PRT by 100. So P is given, principal given form 5000, rate given 6, time given 3 and divided by 100. So this 20 cancel out. So we will get how much? 5000 plus 6 3 are 18, 18 5 are 90 and there is a 0, so 900. So if we add this number, we will get 0, 0, 9 and 5. So this is what? 5900. So in option B option is what? 5900 rupees. This is our correct answer. Now see the fifth question. The fifth question is what? In what time rupees 6000 will give interest of rupees 720 at the rate of 6% per annum simple interest? So again for this type of question, what is technique? Read question carefully and check what is given in the question. So in what time? So we need time here. So T equal to what? Question mark. Rupees 6000 will give interest. So this 6000 is what? Principal. So this is 6000. Will give interest of rupees 720. So this 720 is given what? Simple interest. That is 720 at the rate of 6% per annum. So rate of simple interest is given what? 6%. So clear now, principal given, simple interest given and rate given. And we have to find time. So we know the basic formula for the time is what? Time equal to 100 into simple interest divided by P into my rate. So this is 100 into simple interest is given 720, P is given 6000, rate given 6. So here 3 0. So this 2 0 cancel, this 1 0 cancel. Now this is 6 1 is 6, 6 2 is 12 and 6 2 is 12. So correct is what? 2 years. So 2 years is our correct answer. So B option is the right answer. Now question number 6. Let us see the question 6. So question 6 is what? A sum of money become 4 times in 20 years at simple interest. Find the rate of simple interest. So for this type of question, we can solve this question by the two methods, basic and tricky approach. So what is the trick for this type of question? See, so we have to find rate of interest. So rate of interest are equal to what? N minus 1 into 100 and divided by time. This N is what? Times. How many times given? So in this question, 4 times. So N is what? 4. So we will write 4 minus 1 multiply 100 and time is given what? 20 years. So 25 is 100. This is 4 minus 1, 3. So 3 into 5, that is 15%. So correct answer is what? 15%. So this is the trick for finding the rate. You can solve this question by basic also. See how. So if you want to solve this question by basic, sum of money become. So suppose sum of money not given. So suppose principal is what? 100. Become 4 times. So amount will be 4 times. That is what? 400. Okay, na? And in 20 years, so time is given how much? 20 years. Okay. So find rate of interest. So now you know principal is given, amount is given, time is given. So we can find very easily simple interest. Simple interest is what? Amount minus principal. So this is 400 minus 100, that is 300. Now we have principal, time and simple interest. We can find very easily rate of interest. So rate of interest basic formula is 100 into simple interest. So simple interest is what? 300 and divided by what? That is T into P. So P is what? 100 and T is what? 20. So this 100 cancel, this 0 cancel and this is what? 15. So what we get? 15%. So our correct answer is 15% by the tricky approach and the basic approach both. So tricky approach is important for solving the question in interview and written exam. So correct answer is what? 15%. A option is right answer. Now question number 7. Let us see the question. Question 7 is what? A sum become 2 times in 5 years at a certain rate of simple interest. Find the time in which the same amount will be 8 times at the same rate of simple interest. So again, for this type of question, we have very simple technique. So what is the technique? See, we have to find time. So we have to find T2. So technique is what? N2 minus 1, N1 minus 1 and multiply T1. So what is N2 and 1? That is times given. So here first given 2 times. So this is what? N1. And here given 8 times. This is what? N2. Okay. And T1 is already given 2 times 5 years. This is what? T1. So just put the value, you will find correct answer. So this is 8 minus 1 and divided by 2 minus 1 and into time is given 5 years. So this is how much? 7 into 5 by 1. So this is 35 years. So our correct answer is what? D option, 35 years. We can solve this question by the same basic rule also. But for competitive exams, trick is important. So correct answer is what? 35 years is the right answer.